What's up, guys? Welcome to the channel. It's been a while since I actually uploaded a video. I just been busy with work, you know, all the usual stuff in life. You know, life hits you, you end up not being able to do certain things. I was lost the GoPro for a little bit too, so I couldn't really record much, but mostly it's just basically because I was working and stuff like that. Hope it's back to you guys on the steering wheel. But so that being said, I haven't really done much work on this car. I've done a little work. We've done, like I said, as you can see, there is no dash in here. I do have some video of, like, you know, everything I've done and stuff like that, but nothing too much. I got the engine leveled out. I got the dash all out. I got the wires all ripped out. As you see, I'm starting to wire. I see the wire in here. We got a fuse box right. Ow, just hit the thing. We got a fuse box right here. Actually, not fuse box slash relay box. So that's our relays and stuff like that. Our clutch is bled. She's fully good. So she's hard. I probably gotta bleed her a little bit more, but nothing too much. She just needs to be a little bit more bled. Let's see. We got our wires here. We got this, our main wire harness that goes from our switch panel, which I made, which I'll show you guys in a little bit. Nothing really with the engine bay. I believe I showed you guys the engine that's in it already. So I'm not gonna rip off this whole cover because I gotta get going and go work on my boat, which I'll show you guys actually a little bit if you want. Actually, I was looking for these connectors. But yeah, so this is what we got in here going on. We got some wiring. So yeah, so basically we got some wiring going on here. We gotta go put the headers on. We gotta get this axle off here, which said we're not doing this all today. We're just gonna be an update video of what's been happening and stuff like that. But we got our brake lines back here made. Oh god, spider web. Don't like spiders, but we gotta get this axle off, gas tank off, and then just the wires ran. And that'd be it pretty much for this build, and we should be on the road and driving. Actually, no, drive shaft. You need a drive shaft. Also, I got something radiator put in. The radiator's not in yet, but I got like brackets made for it. But yeah, so listen, that's just a quick update video. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Listen, guys, if you guys want to support the channel, like I said, we're gonna be uploading again. Probably, hopefully, at least once a week again. So, if you guys enjoyed the video, please like down below, comment down below. Leave a like down below, comment down below, subscribe to the channel. I'll see you guys in the next one.